Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition Aural Skills. Today we're going to work on rhythms with real people. Let's go! Alright, so a while ago, we worked on listening and identifying the rhythms. Well, it's been a while, and we've added some rhythms since, so let's go back and let's listen and identify rhythms again. But this time, I thought it would be fun to listen to real people playing real instruments. You're going to want to get your manuscript paper out for this one. If you don't have manuscript paper, it's attached in the link below. So, let's first take a listen to the violin.
My name is Maria Betania Hernandez. I have been playing the violin over 15 years, and now I'm going to play a little bit for you.
Do you think you know what rhythm that is? Let's listen again.
I just played a short 4-bar melody in C major, which is made up of quarter notes and 8 notes. It is very easy and really fun to play on the violin.
Great! How did you do? Were you able to get it? Alright, let's try another one, shall we? Let's listen to the saxophone.
Hi, my name is Otis Shibaka and I've been playing the saxophone for 9 years.
Were you able to identify this one? Let's listen one more time.
Okay, so what we had there was 4 crotchets in the first bar, dotted crotchet to minim in the second bar, 4 crotchets in the third bar, and staccato crotchet, quaver rest, then minim to add a bit of syncopation.
Great! How was this one? Did you feel it was easier or harder than the violin? It's neat how they're different, huh? Alright, let's take a try at another one, shall we? Let's listen to the clarinet.
Hey, my name is Jay. I am 22 years old. I'm a clarinetist and I've been playing clarinet for about 13 years now.
Great! Think you know what that one is? Let's listen again.
So what you just heard was a 4-measure rhythmic sample where the first measure, which sounded like, which is 1 half note followed by 2 quarter notes. The second measure sounded like, which was 1 dotted quarter note, then 2 16th notes, 2 8th notes, and 1 regular quarter note. The third measure, which sounded like, which was 1 quarter rest, and then 4 16th notes, and then 4 8th notes. And then the final measure, which sounded like, which was 1 half note, and then 2 8th notes, and then it finishes on 1 quarter note. Thank you all so much. Have a super musical day. Keep learning, keep exploring, keep playing, and be safe.
Great explanation. Did that make sense? Did you get it? How you doing so far? Let's take a listen to another one.
Hello, my name is Ethan Warden. I've been playing the trombone now for 17 years.
this one? You think you know what it is? Let's listen one more time.
So that was a little bit from a book, Tyrell number 6. It's a very, very common trombone book. As I said before, it kind of swaps back and forth between a lot of 16th notes and a lot of 8th notes. So the very, very first rhythm is a quarter note tied over to an 8th note. And then with 2 8th notes to finish out, 2 16th notes to finish out beat 2, and then 4 16th notes on beat 3 and 4 16th notes on beat 4. The second measure then is all 8th notes, so all of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are it is all made up of 8th notes. It's pretty much the same rhythm then that repeats every 2 measures. Okay.
Great, did you get this one? Let's listen to the bass guitar.
Hi, I am Bruno from Brazil and I have been invited to play something on the bass. And well, it's the instrument that I have been playing for the last 10 years.
How's this one? You think you know what it is? Let's listen one more time.
So, in this piece we can see a quarter note with a dot, a sequence of 8s, and a connection to a quarter note. Also, a connection between 2 8 notes. Well, that's it. Thanks for the opportunity. Bye!
Great, how did you do? Were you able to get that one? All right, now here comes the real kicker. We're going to listen to the drums for this one, but we're going to have to listen to them individually as a whole.
Hello, I'm Mason, and I'm 19 years old, and I've been playing drums for 16 years, so since I was 3 years old, actually 2.5 years old. But yeah, I'm going to get into the sample right now.
Let's listen again. Let's listen one more time.
So basically, I was just doing quarter notes and 8th notes between the bass drum and the snare, so the quarter notes. And then the bass drum, I was switching to 8th notes every 2 beats, so it would be. And then the hi-hat was just straight 8th notes. And then the fill was actually all 16th notes, which is double 8th notes, so. Alright, see y'all later.
Great, how did you do? The drums was probably the hardest one because it's the rhythm section, first of all, and they have different rhythms going on at the same time, as you can see. There's so much going on, but it's good for us to work on hearing and recognizing what it is. All right, I hope you had fun, and I hope you were able to get some of it. I know it's hard. We're gonna have to keep coming back to listening and identifying rhythms, especially because we're learning more. We're gonna have to identify more. All right, well, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time.